Welcome, scientists. Today we are learning how to balance chemical equations in a simple way. Think of it like making both sides of a scale equal. The golden rule is this: atoms are not created or destroyed during a chemical reaction, they are only rearranged. Let's use magnesium reacting with oxygen to form a magnesium oxide. At first, the equation looks like this: magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Now look carefully. Oxygen is not balanced. There are two oxygen atoms on the reactant side, but only one oxygen atom on the product side. To balance an equation, we count each type of atom on both sides. Magnesium is balanced, but oxygen is not balanced. Very important, boys and girls, never change the small numbers in a formula. That is what we call the subscripts. We may not change MgO into MgO2 because that creates a different substance. We only use coefficients. We place a big number 2 in front of magnesium oxide. That we also call a coefficient. Now we have two oxygen atoms on the product side. Now oxygen is balanced, but magnesium is not. We have one magnesium atom on the left and two magnesium atoms on the right. So we place a 2 in front of magnesium. Now the equation is balanced. Let's check our answer. Magnesium has 2 atoms on both sides. Oxygen has 2 atoms on both sides. That means our equation is balanced. Here is the easy method. Step 1. Write the correct formula. Step 2. Count atoms. Step 3. Balance one element at a time. Step 4. Use coefficients only. Step 5. Check again. Now it is your turn. Try to balance this equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen forms water. You have 5 seconds. And the countdown begins now. The correct answer is 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen gives 2 water. We now have 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms on both sides. Before we finish, remember these common mistakes. Do not change subscripts. Do not guess without counting. And do not forget to check both sides. Okay, now let's recap what we have learned. Balancing equations is all about fairness. Same atoms, same numbers, both sides balanced. Well done, scientists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download your free worksheet.